Today I'm sharing with you my technique on how I pop up from a regular forearm stand into a funky forearm stand. My technique is to learn how to shift your weight. You have to shift your weight over to the standing arm so that you lighten the load on the arm that you want to pop up. So for instance, if I want to pop up on my right, I'm gonna shift all of my weight onto my left arm. That means you have to keep engagement in your arms the entire time too, because once you pop up, all that weight stays on that one arm. Let's practice the weight shift. All right. Start in your regular pincha, kick up, any leg position works. Shift your hips over to one side, then to the other side, then back to your first side, and then the other side. When this feels comfortable, then you can try the pop-up. Okay, ready to try? Okay, start in your forearm stand. Kick up or press up. Any leg position works for you. Shift your weight over, then pop up. Notice my weight is still mostly over my standing arm. Then if you would like, try to pop back down. Shift your weight over to the other arm. I'm gonna see if I can pop up on this arm as well. Here we go. There we have it. And I'm gonna try to pop back down without falling. Woo, okay. And that's it for my pop-up video. Try both sides and comment below. Let me know how it worked out for you.